Here's how to fix Siri not responding to your voice. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you wanted to use Siri, but every time you say, "Hey Siri" or "Siri," it just doesn't pop up and just doesn't do anything. It doesn't respond to you. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get that fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's first just open up these settings here. And let's scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now on here, you need to make sure that it is enabled or potentially just toggling it on and off. You can see talk and type to Siri right under language. Tap on that. And now here you can see press the side button is turned on, so I can tap and hold. And you'll see that Siri pops up just like that. However, you want to also tap on Hey Siri or Hey Siri. So either one here. And now I can say Hey Siri. And Siri automatically pops up just like that. Now keep in mind, if this isn't working normally, then you can always switch it off and then turn it back on and then go through the steps to be able to speak to Siri. So you can go through these steps and it will ask you to dictate it. So basically by disabling it and enabling it again, will ask you to dictate certain things like, "Hey Siri, how's the weather?" and all that stuff. Now, if you go through this process and it's still not working, the next thing you can do is go back out of here, tap on General and Software Update. Now, sometimes there are bugs or glitches in your Siri version in iOS 18 or whatever you have. You can see I have iOS 18.2, so just update to the latest iOS operating system. And a lot of times this fixes any bugs or issues, including ones within Siri. Now, the next thing I would recommend doing is going back here. We'll scroll to the very bottom and tap on the shutdown button. So just turn your phone off and turn it back on. By shutting it down and restarting it, a lot of times, again, it fixes bugs or issues on your iPhone. You'll be surprised how many times just turning things off and rebooting them will fix things on your phone. The last thing I would recommend doing is tapping on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And we'll hit Reset. And then at the very top is Reset All Settings. So go through the process of entering in your passcode and reset all of the settings on your iPhone back to the factory default, including all of the Siri settings. And a lot of times, again, this fixes any kind of issues with this Siri basically not listening to you or not understanding you when you say, "Hey Siri," and you try to have it do something on your phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.